name is Sarthak. I am from class 6A and today I am going to tell you some facts about Rubik's Cube. So, Rubik's Cube was firstly invented by a 30-year-old man who was a professor, and he was trying to explain the concept to his students but they didn't understand. So, he tried to make a 3D concept and he accidentally made a puzzle. Then he gave it Rubik's name, and then when he sold it to the toy market, it was the most sold toy. And now I will show you some designs and I will solve it. Okay. So first we will do the white layer. Okay, so our white layer is completed.
How much time?
Next, we will complete the middle layer. We completed the middle layer. And lastly, we will complete the yellow layer. Okay, so we completed our yellow layer. And now the last layer. And now I will show you some designs. The first one is the dots.
Very nice.
And the second one is the checkboard. And I will show you some flags on Rubik's Cube. Flag of Japan. Next, I will make the flag of Russia. And lastly, the flag of India.